Good morning, students. Last time we had started with punctuation and capital letters. That is lesson 21 of your grammar textbook, right? Um, and we had finished up to mark of exclamation and we were to do further, right? So here we shall start further. मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, ये तो आपको मालूम ही है एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क क्या होता है. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस में जनरली इसको यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. एंड वी यूज़ इट when we want to express some strong feeling into a sentence. Then we use normally the exclamation marks and words like interjunctions जो होते हैं which show strong emotions in a sentence that are being used, right? So let us study. The mark of exclamation is placed at the end of exclamatory sentence. How stupid! What an excellent idea! Alas, gambling has ruined him. Alas matlab sad. Alas is what? It is a interjunction. It is very sad that this has ruined him, right? उसको बर्बाद कर दिया gambling ने, मतलब जुआ खेलने ने. And here it is, what an excellent idea. So एक idea बहुत ही अच्छा है, तो उस feeling को express करने के लिए we are saying this, and that is why we are ending the sentence in an exclamation mark. Now moving further, apostrophe. Apostrophe क्या होता है ये आपको मालूम है, right? Apostrophe is used before the S to show some kind of possession. To form the possessive of any singular noun, we add an apostrophe and S to the noun. That is the girl's dress, Sonali's books, Suhas's bat. To form the possessive of a plural noun ending in S, we add only an apostrophe. The boys' school, her teachers influence a lady's tailor. To form the possessive of a plural noun that does not end in S, we add an apostrophe and S. Children's programs, men's clothes, women's college. We use an apostrophe with expressions of time, space and money. 2 weeks holidays, a stone's throw, a rupee's worth. We use an apostrophe to make short forms, right? Short forms बनाने के लिए भी apostrophe use होता है. That is I'll. I will becomes I'll. It is का short form its हो जाता है. He doesn't, does not, right? All here we are using a comma which is called the apostrophe. We use an apostrophe to form the plurals of letters, figures, etc. 2 5s, 3 MAs, 2 A's. We don't use the apostrophe and these words. Ours, yours, its, hers, theirs, whose. All these we use apostrophe to with these words. Okay. Now quotation marks. कोटेशन मार्क्स मतलब इन्वर्टेड कॉमास इसको बोलते हैं, जो कॉमा जनरली हम लोग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम लोग इसको यूज़ करते हैं. वी पुट द एंटायर स्पीच, द वर्ड स्पोकन बाय दैट पर्सन इनटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. कॉमा इनटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमा होता है, so that we use the quotation marks are used to set off the actual words said by a speaker, right? जब हम लोग डायरेक्ट स्पीच में बात कर रहे होते हैं तो वो जो बोले हुए वर्ड्स हैं उसको, स्पीकर के बोले हुए वर्ड्स को हम लोग इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गोपाल सेड कॉमा इनटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, ऐसा पढ़ते हैं, ये वाला एक कॉमा और ये 2 कॉमास. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड कॉमा इनटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. आई वांट टू बिकम अ लॉयर व्हेन आई ग्रो अप. द स्पीकर सेड कॉमा इनटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू डिफेंड आवर कंट्री. नाउ कैपिटल लेटर्स. कैपिटल लेटर्स कहाँ कहाँ आप यूज़ करते हो? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली यू वेरी वेल नो दैट प्रॉपर नाउन्स जो होते हैं, जो स्पेसिफिक नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन्स होते हैं, प्लेसेस, सिटीज़ होते हैं, तो दैट ऑलवेज वी स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. दे आर ऑलवेज स्टार्टिंग विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. एवरी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. Capital letters with proper nouns capitalize the names of persons. Meera, Pandit, Sushmita, Seth, right? all the names that we start with a capital letter. Capitalize the names of the days, underline this, capitalize the names of the days, of the week and of the months, but not the names of the seasons. Monday, the third Tuesday in June. Capitalize the names of religions and other words used with them. Islam, the Bible, Eid ul-Fitr, the Buddhists, right? Capitalize the names of countries, nationalities, races, languages and adjectives derived from them. That is India, Indian, Tamil, Tamilians, German, Germans, right? All these first letters we capitalize. Capitalize the names of schools, colleges, business houses, political parties, right? The Delhi Public School. Then what is next? Hans Raj College, Vardhaman Silk Mills, Indian National Congress. Capitalize the names of buildings, the names of trains and ships and brand names. The Red Fort, the Rajdhani Express, the Hero Moto Corp, right? इसके पूरा capital आता है. क्यों? Because they are the brand names. They are the famous historical places, right? Okay, now capitalize the names of special days, special events, etc. The Republic Day, Quit India Movement, right? Special events. So that also we start with a capital letter. Capitalize the first word of every sentence. Actually the first letter of the first word of the sentence, right? The first word of each line of a poem often begins with a capital letter. ये कभी कभी होता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता है. Depends upon the poet, the writer of the poem, right? Because this poetic language is always imaginary. तो जहाँ पे कहीं जगह पे अगर poet को लगता है तो he writes in capital. Otherwise it's normal also. The sweetest thing that ever grew beside a human door. अब यहाँ पे capital है. The first word of a direct quotation is capitalized. She said, comma into inverted commas, all my demands have been met. While writing the titles of stories, essays, etc., capitalize the first word and all the other words except articles, prepositions and conjunctions. The advantage of rising early. Capitalize the official names of government departments and titles of high-ranking officials, etc. The Prime Minister, the Ministry of Finance. Capitalize the pronoun I and all other words standing for God, the Almighty, the blessings of God. Right? Look at these examples of unpunctuated and punctuated passages. अब आपको examples दिए हैं punctuated और unpunctuated passages का, तो वो आपको understand करना है कि how difference it makes when it is punctuated. The Hindus regard the Gita as one of their greatest books. It is a discourse on the eve of war, but it is more useful for teaching the art of living, said she. Right? ये पूरा flat sentence है, कहीं पे भी आपको meaning समझ में नहीं आएगा. Now when we punctuate it, we put it into comma into inverted commas, right? कौन बोल रहा है? She is saying. So how she is saying? The Hindus regard the Gita as one of the greatest books. फिर full stop है तो हमें pause लेना है. It is a discourse on the eve of war, but it is more useful for teaching the art of living, said she. Right? So this one makes complete sense when it is punctuated. Another example we shall see. He said Dickens' David Copperfield is very popular among children. Modern children read only Harry Potter books, said I. Now when it is punctuated, he said Dickens, David Copperfield. Dickens double S क्यों दिया है? Because एक apostrophe ऐसा आएगा. Dickens, Charles Dickens is the writer of David Copperfield novel, right? So Dickens' David Copperfield is very popular among children. Modern children read only Harry Potter books, said I. Now next one is unpunctuated. I feel very ill. May I go home? I don't think I can do any work today, said Somesh. Why did you come to the school if you were not feeling well, said the teacher. In the morning I was all right, madam, said Somesh. अब इसका कोई proper meaning नहीं निकलता. So now we will read the punctuated one. Now comma into inverted comma है. यहाँ comma नहीं, बाद में आएगा comma. I feel very ill. May I go home? I don't think I can do any work today. Inverted comma complete comma said Somesh. Now again inverted comma start. Why did you come to the school if you were not feeling well? Question mark inverted commas complete. Said the teacher. Inverted comma start. In the morning I was all right, comma ma'am. Inverted commas complete comma said Somesh, right? So this is the way you have to write the speech when properly punctuated speech, right? Now इसमें why why is this man you speak of, asked Javed, leaving his seat, buttoning up his coat and moving towards the door, right? So who is this man you speak of? There should be a question mark, right? Asked Javed. Javed का J कैपिटल होना चाहिए, W यहाँ पे कैपिटल होना चाहिए. Leaving his seat, full stop. Buttoning up his coat and moving towards the door. Okay, पूरा एक ही है. So उसके बाद कॉमा आएगा. Leaving his seat, then comma, buttoning up his coat and moving towards the door. Would you like sweets, my child? He asked gently, and child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. Okay. So again inverted commas. Would you like, would you ka would, W capital, would you like sweets, my child? Question mark, inverted commas complete. He asked gently. Full stop. Capital T हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed. Comma. Again वहाँ पे and only sobbed. Comma into inverted commas आएगा. Capital I हो जाएगा. I want my mother, I want my father. So here there should be a comma because there are two different clauses, coordinate clauses. Now 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 I'll do, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You shall do it in the homework and I will just guide you through the answer key. The rats were all gone. Not one was left alive in Hamlin. And when the people realized it, they went mad with joy and they cheered and embraced, they shouted and danced, they laughed and cried. All the church bells were set ringing. Right? The rats were all gone, not one was left alive. The rats were all gone, comma, not one was left alive in Hamlin. Right? The Piper की story है ना, उसमें Hamlin है. Hamlin is the place, so H will be capital, right? H capital होगा यहाँ पर. और यहाँ पे inverted commas की ज़रूरत नहीं. There is no one who is speaking this, so this T should be capital. That's it. Okay. Then and when. इसके बाद Hamlin के बाद half clause is complete, so there should be a semicolon. And when the people realized it, they went mad with joy. When the people realized it, उसके बाद आएगा comma, they went mad with joy. Then again semicolon. They cheered and embraced. They cheered and embraced. Again semicolon. Shouted and danced, again semicolon. They laughed and cried, again semicolon. All the church bells were set ringing. Right? Now 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 that you will be doing in the homework, and I'll just quickly focus on the answer key. अब सब देख लो. You can just pause the video and you can just go through. This is exercise 2. You can see the answers here. Now moving on to the next portion. I hope it's clear. I'm just focusing it for 2-3 seconds. And now moving further on to 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now next is integrated grammar practice that we are not going to do. Okay, we stop now. And next time I shall be sending you योर टेक्स्ट बुक. गुजरात बोर्ड की जो टेक्स्ट बुक अभी है हमारी, उसका नेक्स्ट लेसन आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू, राइट. सो वर्ड्स ऑफन कन्फ्यूज्ड, लेसन नंबर 23 वी शैल डू इट नेक्स्ट टाइम. वर्ड्स ऑफन कन्फ्यूज्ड करना है और क्या करना है, वर्ड्स फॉलोड बाय अप्रोप्रिएट प्रपोजिशंस, दैट वी शैल नॉट डू इट एज ऑफ नाउ एटलीस्ट. नेक्स्ट टाइम उसके बाद देखते हैं, वर्ड्स ऑफन कन्फ्यूज्ड के बाद सिनोनिम्स एंटोनिम्स हमें करना है, राइट. So we stop here now. Just go through and solve all the exercises. You need to write down the exercises in your notebook, right? Because यहाँ पे पंक्चुएशन पता नहीं चलेगा. सिर्फ आंसर्स लिखना, क्वेश्चन लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Do not waste your time. Questions you can easily see it here in the textbook. Write down the completely punctuated answer in your notebook itself, right? So we stop here now. Write down the underlined points which I have made you underline, because they give you the keys how to punctuate the given passage. Now we stop here, and next time we shall start with your Gujarat Board textbook.